Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna unbox and review the 280 silent wireless mouse from HP. I've got a couple of mouses here. So one, I think that's from DPI. I'm not sure which brand this is, maybe DPI or something, and it does have some click on it. And this one is from HP itself, so it also has some click on it. So I just wanted to make a video to see how silent this mouse is, because the names it has silent on it. So just wanted to see how good it performs compared to this one. So before unboxing, let's see what it has. So it says that it enjoy clicking quietly, and then up to 18 months of battery life, and eco-friendly, and it comes with the receiver. So there is a bunch of Chinese thing, and then yeah, so 280 silent wireless mouse, and let's unbox it. So I think I got this for around $28 in Amazon. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's in that range. So let's see. There's a seal on. Okay, that's the mouse itself, and there's nothing in there. So it comes with one battery, and then a bunch of paperworks, like manual stops and all. So I think that's the warranty thing. So the mouse itself, yeah, it does feel quiet compared to this one. So let's go and plug this in. So where does the battery go? Okay, yeah, so that's new. It looks like a spaceship there. Okay, so the battery's inside, the cover is inside. Oh, I think that's some magnetic stuff there. Okay, I nearly forgot the receiver. So the receiver is inside there. So that is, let's cover that now. So let's plug that in. Yeah, it does feel a lot quieter. Yeah, it does feel a lot quiet, and I think it's better to play Counter-Strike or something with this. Yeah, compared to this one, which has a click, and it does feel satisfying listening to that one, but it does feel weird. But yeah, it is quiet. So yeah, so compared to this one, so that's the difference between those two mouses, and maybe three mouses. Yeah, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See you.